So hey everyone, so the phone that I'll be talking about today would be OnePlus Nord CE for 5G. So before getting into this video, I just want to make one point clear, which is this review is actually a complete unbiased video, no favoritism, nothing. So without wasting time, let's skip to the main part. So OnePlus Nord CE for 5G actually comes with a fabulous Snapdragon Gen 3 processor. The storage variant that we get from this segment is actually 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM, and there's another variant where we get 256GB ROM and 8GB RAM. The variant of 120GB and 8GB RAM is for 24,999. Now talking about the display part, OnePlus Nord CE for 5G comes with 6.7 Full HD AMOLED display. But the thing is, here the display is of 120Hz. 120Hz is actually a refresh rate that we get in today's budget smartphone segments too. But what matters is the optimization. So the pleasant feel that we get while running our fingers through the screen, that's what matters, right? So in that sense, this 120Hz refresh rate is really appreciable. But there's one con in this display, which I will be talking about in the coming segment of this video. Now let's talk about the camera. OnePlus Nord CE for 5G actually comes with dual rear camera of 50 megapixel and 8 megapixel and a selfie cam of 16 megapixel. What impresses me about this phone is actually it's that no one can argue about is its 100 volt super VOOC charging. Along with that, 5500 mAh battery. This super VOOC charger can charge your phone less than 30 minutes, which is actually a deal-breaking feature that no other phone can provide in this price segment, and no other phone can compete with OnePlus. Now about the design, OnePlus Nord CE for 5G actually comes with a marble shade design. The variant that I have with me is actually green marble shade. Comparing it with Nothing 2A and other smartphone like Samsung A35, I personally recommend this design for you. But since design is actually a subjective thing, you can decide on your own. The build is actually very durable and also feels very premium. The weight distribution is also very much balanced. Now coming back to the display, OnePlus Nord CE for 5G's con that I was talking about. The con is, even though the refresh rate is providing 120Hz, while playing PUBG we only get 90 FPS in the option setting. I don't know what's the specific reason for that, but other than that, the gaming experience is actually very smooth. No lag, no hiccups. Other than PUBG, we have also tried other games like Asphalt 8, 9 and Genshin Impact. So in this gaming part, there's no issues, but heating issues there. After a long session of 1 to 1.5 hours, the phone start getting a little much heat with no back cover. If we use a back cover while gaming, then your phone will get heated more because of the cover that you're using, which may be a silicone or a rubber case. So focus about the camera. So here's the part where I'm pretty much disappointed. Even though the color schematics of OnePlus Nord CE for 5G is close to OnePlus 11, the color management is also which is also very good and is also close to OnePlus 11. But the con lies in the videography. I will not recommend this phone to you if you are planning to purchase this phone only specifically for videography, because the video footage lacks pretty much. The max quality that this video provides is actually 4K 30 FPS. Even though this specification is actually very standard, but the problem lies in the stabilization. I wish OnePlus would have done the electronic image stabilization much better. So my verdict would be, this phone would be enough for a normal user who want to cover all aspects of a phone, which consists of a good camera, performance device, normal videography, or if you want to experience a smooth gaming experience and along with that a bigger battery, then this phone is for you. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We'll meet soon with another video. Till then, goodbye.